Mm.
So we are also championing accessibility in social, which means, okay, those videos that you're done, now let's caption them. But if you don't have the right tool, it doesn't just happen automatically. And a lot of people think, well, just use the YouTube captioning tool. Okay, but did you edit it? Did you check it? Our different dialects, our
Right.
different accents. The AI will pick up words that were not actually said.
Mm.
So there's more time and energy that comes into that. And then if you're looking at taking some of that content and you want to put it on Reels or you want to put it on TikTok, what about that fun text over the top, in blue or yellow or whatever, and the stuff that comes in and fades out and the fun little buttons that pop up? All of that takes time, right? All
Yes.
of that takes energy and a different
Mm.
format.